So far we've learned the Arabic numbers from 0 to 5, from صفر to 5. So let's carry on. ستة, which is 6. What does it look like? I mean, it doesn't look like a flipped number 2, like a flipped number 2. The angle is different between the two lines. You know what? I'll leave it to you. Try to describe how it looks. Comment your description below. Again, it's called ستة. ستة. ستة.
Walid Abu Sitta is the man who...
So now we have صفر, واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة. Keep repeating, keep counting. Can't say it enough. Keep practicing. Now to the next number. سبعة.
Isn't your Saba turning 100 today?
Which is 7. It looks like a V, like a letter V, right? Like someone surrendering by raising their hands. Like the victory gesture. You know, the two fingers forming a V. Yeah, a V. It looks like the letter V. Someone with an accent might say 7 instead of 7. It's like they're merging both words together. 7 and سبعة. So now we have صفر, واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة. To the next number. ثمانية, which is 8. It's like the V got flipped upside down. See, the سبعة has its mouth pointing upwards, opening its mouth upwards, you know. The ثمانية has it downwards, see? See, I told you, Arabic is not hard. ثمانية. Keep practicing, ثمانية. So now we have صفر, واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية. Okay, on to the last number in this video. تسعة, which is 9. Its name has the same ending as سبعة, as the 7. سبعة, and 9 is تسعة. It's close to 9, to the English 9. In shape, I mean. Almost the same shape. This makes it easy to remember. Okay? تسعة. So, okay, now we have صفر, واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة. Congratulations, you have all the digits now. And you can count from 0 to 9, from صفر to تسعة. So, until the next video, practice them. Keep counting. Try to read digits in Arabic, like your phone number. Try to write it in Arabic digits, in Arabic numbers, and then try to name each digit in Arabic. ثلاثة, واحد, ثلاثة, خمسة, صفر, سبعة. You know, as if you're giving someone your number, but in Arabic. Try that. If you have any questions, yes, you know it, comment below. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next video.